guys, same day. But we out here, man. They out here swinging.
Bullshit.
They out here swinging, so I had to catch it. To blow it. Yeah. I could start seeing the sparks. I was like, he about to blow it.
Let me know.
Sparking, you see it?
He got the power.
He already sparking. I love my tires. I ain't fucking with this. Hey, my tires too expensive to be fucking around with that. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. Who next? That's it? We came out here for 2 cars? Man, it's hella deep out here. What you say it's about what?
It's about a couple hundred people out.
About 100, 200 people out here?
Yeah.
There's a lot of people out here. Coming back for more. About to go slide in the hut?
Yeah, right.
Hey, anything possible, right?
I mean, it'll do 2 or 3.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna fuck my dip up.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Uh-oh.
Hey, do not go in the center. Go in the center.
Time to go. Shit. And we out of here. Shit. Hey, that wraps that up. Sheesh. My baby looking good though. Look at the lights. might need to spark it off. Who gonna do it?
Don't be blocking these people. Yo.
Nah. They need to sit. Hey, what you sitting in the car for, dog? Huh? He said, man, I gotta save these tires. He ain't getting in it right. Don't make me pull a cat over here just for one spin. And that's it.
Nigga, you do that shit, I'm going live, Facebook live, I'm getting brandy phone, they over this bitch like,
Yo.
this nigga's doing it for real.
I know, right?
I'm like, yo,
I only do one donut,
yo,
one loop.
My man Russell, his muscle neck is getting busy.
Goddamn, they coming down the hill. As you guys see, the police just shut it down. I got what I could get, but we good. So, hope you guys enjoyed this one. And if you're new to the channel, man, remember to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell to stay up to date with all the new content, man. Peace.